They told you healing means letting go. That one day, you'd wake up and the memories wouldn't hurt anymore. But what if that's not true? What if healing isn't forgetting, it's remembering yourself? Because the truth is, you never lost them. You lost you. And that ache you keep trying to silence? It's not weakness. It's your soul asking to come home. Let's talk about what healing really means, and why the most powerful thing you'll ever remember is yourself. When you've spent years walking on eggshells, you learn how to survive, not how to live. Your nervous system memorizes chaos. And even when the storm is gone, the body keeps waiting for the next hit. You confuse calm with danger. You chase familiar pain because it feels safe. That's not because you're broken, it's because your system adapted to keep you alive. You survived by disconnecting from yourself. But now, survival isn't needed anymore. Now it's time to reconnect. People say, just move on. But they don't understand, you can't move on from something that shaped your nervous system. You can only move through it. Healing isn't about pretending the past didn't happen. It's about meeting the version of you who had to endure it, and telling her, you don't have to carry this alone anymore. That's the moment real healing begins. Somewhere along the way, you stopped asking, what do I need? Because your needs were dismissed, mocked, or ignored. So you learned to abandon yourself before others could. That's what trauma does, it teaches you to betray yourself to stay loved. And years later, when you try to set boundaries or choose peace, it feels wrong. Because you've been conditioned to equate chaos with connection. But every time you pause, breathe, and ask what you truly feel, you start to remember. Healing happens slowly, not in a straight line. It's remembering your truth, piece by piece. Some days, you'll feel strong. Other days, you'll feel like you're falling apart. Both are healing. When you cry, your body releases what your mind has carried for too long. When you rest, your system learns safety. When you choose yourself, your inner child finally exhales. That's not weakness. That's reparenting yourself. Forgiveness isn't about excusing what happened. It's about freeing yourself from carrying their choices in your body. You did what you had to do to survive. You disconnected because connection felt dangerous. You shut down because speaking up wasn't safe. You forgot yourself because remembering hurt too much. Now, you get to forgive yourself for the forgetting, and celebrate the remembering. Healing means learning to trust your instincts again. To believe that your intuition isn't drama, it's data. That gut feeling you keep doubting? That's your body remembering truth. You start small. You honor what feels right. You say no when your body tenses. You walk away when peace leaves the room. That's how you teach your system, safety lives here now. Healing is not erasing the past. It's reclaiming your power from it. It's remembering that before the pain, you were whole, and that version of you still exists. Every time you choose peace over chaos, you remember her. Every time you speak kindly to yourself, you remember her. And one day, you'll realize, she never left. She was waiting for you to come back. Healing isn't forgetting. It's remembering yourself, fully, tenderly, and without apology. You don't need to fix yourself. You just need to come home to yourself. If this message found you at the right time, subscribe, stay close, and keep walking this path with me. Because every week, we remember a little more of who we were before the hurt, and who we're becoming after it.